Hello, this is George, and I'm with beMatrix, and I'm here today at ISE 2020 in rAVe, Amsterdam, and I'm showing you our beMatrix booth. Right here, we have our beMatrix 2.5 in a 90-degree corner. The whole booth is made out of either beMatrix frames or our LED skin. You come over here, and I'll show you our curved LED 2.5. It comes in a concave, also in a convex, sitting on our 2R radius curves frames. Right here we have 7 different radius curves that you could purchase from beMatrix. Over here we have 2.5 as well. This is one big flat wall with an extrusion back here, beMatrix frame. And if you come over here, we have our 90-degree corner. Very easily, you could take our modules. They're front serviceable, so you can replace them. Your modules go bad, just put them back on there. And if you come over here, we'll show you a little event space that we've built over here with 2.5s, and we have a concave LED skin, curved LED skin over here as well. Thank you. And it's beMatrix.com. www.beMatrix.com, so for any information that you would want on our beMatrix systems.